guys, welcome back to my channel, which is TV. Thank you so much for tuning in. If it's your first time here, my name is Ocheche Emmanuel Rifa, your one and only China importation coach. I teach everything about China importation. When you watch my videos, you'll be able to import from China by yourself without an agent. If you want to learn more about China importation, go to my importation playlist right now to learn everything about China importation. So guys, in today's video, I'll be teaching how you can add your shipping address to your Pinduoduo account. If it's your first time of hearing about Pinduoduo, go to my importation playlist right now to learn more about Pinduoduo. Pinduoduo is actually the cheapest Chinese website I have come across. So if you want to start importing from China, I will advise you start by going to importation from Pinduoduo. So guys, let's get right into the video. Before you add your shipping address, you need to first of all copy the address. So I'm going to my Samsung Note now. Then I'm copying this address here. So, and don't forget to look at this address very well. You can see there is name, there is phone number, and there is member code here. So, when you want to arrange your address, the shipping company you are using, what they do most cases is just to send you only their address and their Chinese phone number. Chinese phone number is the one starting with 1818. So, when they send only the address to you, edit it and add your name and your phone number so that they will know that these goods belong to this customer. Okay, so right now let's go to Pinduoduo to paste the address. So this is Pinduoduo app. So open it. When you open it, look below on your right hand side. You will see something like that has head and eyes on your left hand side below, bottom down. So click on it. That's your profile, so it takes you to your profile and all like this. Then click on location icon. If you look at that location icon on your right hand side, that is where to add your address. When you click on it, then these are my address already and another customer's address here. So click on add. You will see this red button. Since it's your first time, you are going to see only this red button there. So click on this red button that has plus sign. Click on it. Once you click on it, it will pop up like this. Then this is the question it's asking. Do you want to paste it? Then click on the red Chinese language. Then click on it to paste it. So after it fills it automatically like this, the first area, this first area, click on it and delete anything that is there. Then put your name there. Okay, so let's say I want to put Ochase TV now. I'll write Ochase TV there. I can also include my phone number there like that, like this. So this is basically how to add your address. Then you click on the red button below to save it, and that would be all. Next thing I want to show you is how to edit your address when you make a mistake. And let's say you make a mistake and you want to edit your address after you have placed your order or when your order is in pending payment. So if you look on the left hand side, you will see where there is a wallet and you'll see 7 there. Click on it. That is where pending payments are. So now when you want to edit your address, let's say you made a mistake and you want to change the address to another address, just click on the product you made a mistake on. Click on the red Chinese language on your right hand side where your address is. Can you see Anel collection, that area? Then I'm clicking it. Click on the red Chinese language. Then it says edit address. So when I click on edit, it will pop up like this. Then I can now edit it. So this is basically how to do it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this short video and I hope you learned something today. So guys, if it's your first time here, consider subscribing to this channel if you want to see more of my videos, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to get notified whenever I upload new videos. And if you have any questions about China importation generally, 188, Pinduoduo, Halipe, any questions you have, kindly drop them in the comment section. I'm going to reply to all your comments. So if you have any request, maybe you want to request for a particular video and you want me to create content on it, kindly join my channel membership so that you can get exclusive access to more content solely for you, my members. And if you want me to train you on importation, you want to have a one-on-one session with me on importation, kindly send me a DM on Instagram and we'll get started from there. Thank you for watching once again. See you in my next video. Bye.